So, welcome back to my channel. So today I woke up a little bit early and then I decided to film this video. I mean, it's weekend and still I woke up at 7 a.m. So I decided to film this video, which video you already know from the title of trying or attempting to become that girl for a day. So if you're not aware of this trend or if you don't know who is that girl, then let me give you a little explanation of this. But before that, please subscribe.
Who is that girl? Is she an actress? Or my neighbor? Or someone else? Maybe no. No guys, इनमें से कोई भी नहीं. So this trend came on TikTok first, if I'm not wrong. Then on other social media apps like Instagram, Pinterest, Video. Let's see its definition on Google. Who is that girl? So here's a definition. Well, someone who is that girl is someone who prioritizes themselves in a good way. That is who that girl is. Also, there is no need to become perfect because you can't call anyone a perfect girl or a perfect person. Just be yourself and become the best version of yourself. If you are not the best, then you are not even the worst, guys. And most important, you don't have to get pissed between your actual life and this trend. This trend is not meant to make your day toxic. Saying so because some people called it toxic. And now let's continue
So
with
I
the
haven't
video.
planned anything yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do because as I told you that I woke up early, so I decided to do this trend. Anyway, so the first thing which we have to do is जो कि बहुत अति आवश्यक है वो है व्यायाम करना तो उसको करते टाइम वेस्ट
Hey guys, so I am sweating a little bit and actually I was doing a workout. So
it was a bit
so now I'll see after this.
अक्षिता इस प्लान को पूरा कर पाती है, अक्षिता इसमें सक्षम हो पाती है, ये देखने के लिए बने रहिए स्टूडियो के साथ.
Hey guys, I'm back. So I have taken a shower, even washed my hair. And the next thing is to do breakfast. Here is my breakfast. I will do journal also later on. I mean, just after eating this, I will do journal. Journaling. In the breakfast, we have dalia, which is a healthy breakfast. So let's quickly have our breakfast so that we can do our journaling. Hey guys, what's up? So I've eaten my breakfast. I have also done journaling. They're very small clips which I filmed of this. I will insert them right here, those clips. So watch them right now. After that, I will show you properly these two pages. Hey guys, what's up? It's 9:30 p.m. and I have taken a shower. I have also changed my clothes to be more comfortable. Now the next thing in our list to be that girl is diary writing. I guess some of you will think that I am doing this thing. I mean, I am writing diary only for a video. Answer would be probably no, because this is a habit which I've adopted recently, and I am really regular on it. Now let me quickly do this, and after that I'll see you guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Actually, I enjoyed filming this video. Feeling really good at the end of the day, or मैंने वो best of the day था ना चलो में, I have also feel that, so don't worry. It's exactly 10 p.m. and I will go to bed, because early to bed, early to rise, wake up healthy when they rise. Also, this video was not at all aesthetic, I think so. And this trend was also not very toxic. Saying so because some people found this toxic because they tried to follow someone else's routine, and your routine is different. Your routine is yours. You just have to be the best you. But anyway, now let's end this video. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep watching my videos. If you have watched my videos, then like them, and if you have liked them also, then subscribe to my channel. If you have already subscribed, then comment down your thoughts and how you are guys doing. If you have also done that, then well done. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you, and thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. अपने thoughts positive रखो, safe रहो, और बस we will see each other in our next video. So stay tuned, and at last sending my prayers to all of you. So